Hey guys, welcome to Glam Up with Sia. I'm Sia and today we are doing another amazing Shein haul. So this haul has some amazing dresses. So I have picked some different styles of dresses. So these are not very casual kind of dresses. These are more for the parties and functions. So now as the lockdown is eased up, so it's time for us to head out and try something amazing. So you guys must watch this video till the end. There is the coupon code on the screen. Use the code and all the links for the outfits which I'm showing you here will be in my description box below. So all you need to do is just check my description, click on the link and shop using my coupon code so that you get 15% off on your order. So now let's not do a lot of talk and get into the video. But if you all are new to my channel and if you are watching me for the first time, hi guys, I am Sia. I make a lot of content related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle. Even there are vlogs and other things. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you all are notified whenever I post a new video. And if you all are watching me again, thank you guys for staying tuned and checking out my video again. So now yes, let's get into the video. So guys, this is the first piece. This is such a cute, amazing and classy piece of blazer. This is a closet essential. I must say you guys must have a white blazer in your closet. It is a must. I have seen this blazer in Zara and H&M. They're pretty expensive, but I got this from Shein. The quality is as amazing as Zara or H&M. I love it even more and it fits so well. Just look at it. It's a big thumbs up and watch me style this blazer on my Instagram. So all you need to do is go follow me on my Instagram. So let's check out the next piece. So guys, next we have is this pretty dress. Like if you can see, this is a perfect length dress. I absolutely love it, especially the sleeve part. So if you all are having a wedding listed or if you all are going for a daytime party or brunch or something, you can style this dress accordingly. And if you want to see how I have wore this dress, you can just follow me on my Instagram and check it out. So this is so cute. It has a nice deep v-neck. It has a zip at the back. This is a little tight for me, so I went for 1XL in this dress, but it is a little tight. So you guys can just go a size up. If you wear 1XL, just pick a 2XL dress so that you don't get this bulges on this dress, or else this dress is very seamless and very pretty. I love the color. So guys, this is the next outfit. It's a beautiful kaftan. Let's just look at this neck work, the patch, the lace patch. It's beautiful, and the sleeves as well. It looks so pretty and perfect for the festivals, and I absolutely love it. Can't wait to style. I love the kaftans. So you can see how comfortable these are. And this is actually a pretty dark red one, and you have many colors in this, but I guess it looks a little light because of the lighting, because I'm shooting outside today on the balcony, so it looks pretty light. But overall it's nice. And if you don't like something very tight to your body, you can just up your size. So in this set, all the dresses are of 1XL apart from one that is XL, but rest everything is like in the size 1XL. So if you think you wear 1XL and if you want, like if you see it's like a bit too tight on me, you can just go a size up. But this is a very stretchable material, so yes, it's very comfortable and very pretty. So guys, next we have is this beautiful cord set. So you can see how cute it looks. You can style it in so many different ways. Like you can wear the crop top separately, the skirt separately. You can do whatever you want with this, but I love the way it looks. The style is so nice, and this is a wrap top. You can just wrap it and tie it according to. I just tied it like this, but there is another proper way to tie it. You can just check out my IG for that. And this is a nice flare maxi skirt. It looks very nice. It is nice and flowy, perfect for your vacations. Planning a vacation, pick this outfit. You will definitely rock your Instagram pictures. And use my code. So guys, this is another piece. It's such a cute one. This outfit you can wear it like casuals, or you can style it for your brunches, hanging out with your friends, like for daytime looks and things. I just wore this dress for a high tea. The picture is there on my Instagram. Please go check it out. I love the fit, the way it fits. It clinches my body well. It has a nice deep v-neck, and this balloon sleeves are so good. See, it has some elastic to it. So if you want to just pull it up, you can even wear it like that. but I like the way it is. It's really cute, very elegant, and it has a nice cute little slit over here. Overall the pattern is very cute, and the color, I love pink. So if you have been following me from a long time, you guys know I love pink. So it's, yes, one of my favorites this time. So guys, next we have is this very classy jumpsuit. So like you can see, it has this lace pattern going all over. So this lace, it's like it's stitched here, so it's nothing like coming out or anything. It has a nice deep V-neck. The fabric is pretty stretchable, like you can see, and nothing is see-through. They have a nice lining till here, so like whatever lingerie you wear, it's not going to bother. They even have some lace at the back, and this one comes with the zip. It's very comfortable, very stretchable, so it's overall pretty comfy and looks very classy. Again, the styling part will be done on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram to check out this cute one. And one more thing is, this is sleeveless, so and the lace just goes down to cover up the hands, and it gives a very cute look. So guys, this is another piece. So there is one more piece which I have saved for the last, which is my most favorite one from this time, so stay tuned. So this piece is a very cute one. You can wear this dress like a formal dress, and if you have to hang out with your friends post work, this dress will make you stand out. It's so cute. I love the sleeve part. The sleeves look so amazing. You can just pull it down if you like, and it has this elastic thing going around, and the entire dress is very stretchable. It comes with the back sleeve so that you won't have any issues walking, and it also comes with the zip, but I can actually wear it down without taking off the zip. It is so stretchable and nice. I just love the way it looks. It is so cute, and the fit is so amazing. It has this sweetheart neck, and it looks perfect. So you guys must check out this outfit. Guys, as they say, save the best for the last. So this is the last piece. Just look at this gorgeous dress. I was eyeing this dress for a pretty long time, but this is in XL size, and I was worried like whether it will fit me or not. But if you wear 1XL size, you can go for this dress because it does fit perfectly. Just look at it. But if you are someone who don't like to wear pretty short dresses, then this is not for you guys, because it's pretty short. It is very nice, and it also comes with this thick inner inside, so you don't need to think that what if it's a see-through dress or something. Just look at it, how beautiful it is. Like perfect. It gives you that ballet feel, and it's really nice. I like this pattern as well. It gives little lotus kind of a pattern, and there is this belt going on around the waist which clinches it nicely inside, so it looks so cute. So this is my most favorite dress from this time. I absolutely love it, and I love such mesh dresses, mesh outfits, mesh skirts, and this is a tube dress. So I was just doing a try on, so I did not take off my bra, but you will need to wear a stick-on bra under this, or a wraparound bra which don't have straps, like a strapless bra, so then it's perfect. But overall this dress is super cute, and you guys must check out. But if you are having a birthdays or something, and if you all want to have some pictures done, this is that one dress which you need to pick. And this dress comes in 3 colors. One is black, one is a pale pink, and this is a hot pink. So I just love this hot pink, and I went for this. So guys, that was all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and you guys would have liked all the pieces which I showed you. Do let me know in the comment section below which piece are you keen to pick. All the links are in my description box below, so without fail, please go check out the description box so that you can check out whichever piece you like. Use my coupon code so that you get 15% off, and enjoy shopping, and stay tuned. Do give this video a big thumbs up, and stay tuned for my next video. Until then, bye bye.